Hi, Steve Clifford from Sheehy Toyota of Fredericksburg, Virginia. Visit us at sheehytoyotafredericksburg.com. Today, we're going to go over how to replace the cabin air filter in your new Toyota. Now, most Toyotas work exactly the same way or very, very similar. So I'm going to show you on two different vehicles. I'm going to show you on a Prius and on a Tacoma. And it's really, really simple. So you start off by understanding that the cabin air filter is in the back of the glove box. So we're going to open up our glove box. And then if you see right down here, there's this little thing here. You just pop that off. That's the first thing. Then the sides of these things are very flexible. They're supposed to be. You push in, and it even says push. So I'm going to push in on the sides, and then the whole glove box comes out. Now, if you look down in here, you'll see there's this little white box with these little clips on the side. You just push in on the little ears, cover comes off, and now you can pull out your cabin air filter. That's what you're supposed to be replacing every roughly 15,000 miles. More often than that, if you live in a really smoky area, put it back up there, slide it in, clip it in. Should have emptied the glove box before I did it the first time, but with an empty glove box, just goes in, push it up into place, and reattach your little clip. Ooh. Well, I didn't put it in right, did I? Ha! And make sure that everything is straight. There we go. And then this little arm, reclip it right back in there, and you're done. Now, you notice that there's give here. That's designed to be that way. All of them are designed to be that way so that as they age, they're pressing out and aren't going to rattle around. Let's take you over to a Tacoma real quick, because this one's a little bit different and actually much easier. Come on this way. So the Tacoma, the glove box is the same, but you don't need to take everything apart. You just pull all your stuff out of it here. And if you look, you don't have to take the whole box door off. There's this clip here, but you've got to do it just the right way. And it pops out. And then again, you've got the little box with the clips in there. Just pull it out the same way. Very, very easy. You don't have to take the door apart to do it. So that is how you change the cabin air filter in a new Toyota. I hope this has been helpful. This might save you a little money. You can buy those cabin air filters from the parts department counter and install it yourself. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching.